Remember you know, Joel. And the girl Pum Pum know him so well.
Yeah.
But don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much things I did not say.
Move yourself. Man say want 1700 for a bomber clad ticket.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have a lot of topics to be touching into. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J. We can do it on that weekend.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it.
Birdnation, that right there is Vybz Kartel performing in the UK. If you take a look, you can see the crowd are all a vibe. It's a real good look for the artist, me not lie, especially since the artist never did really to have got foreign and them thing there before, and now the man a take the streets. But enough people have a problem with that, and we will get further into that later on down into the video. So keep on watching. Before we get into that though, I want you all to take a look at this random link up between Vybz Kartel and a few friends of his. Yo, the man lyrical CMA, you have to give it to him. Look how the man articulate himself.
Ready?
He's not a clown boy.
You know, ready? Remember you know, Joel. And the girl Pum Pum know him so well.
Yeah.
I remember Nate.
Yeah.
And them when I get sex on the first date.
Yeah.
Hold on, man.
Yeah.
Remember Son Boy? On a response here, Clown Boy.
Yeah, no, no.
Light skin, but on a brown boy.
Yeah.
Yeah man, it look like say them a whole of vibes man, and them lyrics there, remember I'ma tell you, is a reason why people call Vybz Kartel the king of dancehall. Now let's move on to the next clip. People are outraged because Kartel did this. Take a listen.
Move yourself. Man say want 1700 for a bomber clad ticket. Yo, my cat. When him talk about him want 1700 for a bomber clad ticket. Move yourself from here. When want Jamaican money, can't want USD. Can't want USD 1700 for a concert in Brooklyn. Man crazy. Man lost his mind in that bomber clad jail system. Him call himself world boss. Him really think him the world boss. Come on. 1700 for a bomber clad ticket to a concert. To a concert, man wants 1700. Me not a cat. Me not a cat. Can't get to that. Move yourself.
Birdnation, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. I personally believe the ticket prices are a bit too high, but that's just me. Please leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. Now, a lot of people are getting outraged for our next thing, the rum. So you could say trouble is brewing over Vybz Kartel rum. Let's take a listen.
Me see them about Vybz Kartel say myself alcohol. And me have a problem with something where me have to explain. But you see, before me explain that, more I make this clear. Say me no support alcohol drinking because me know say alcohol is not good for your liver. Me no drink, no alcohol. Me no smoke, not even weed. More ask una question. All of the people them will have a problem with Vybz Kartel selling alcohol. Why me never hear una come out all these years and lick out against D&J? We make Red Stripe beer and Guinness and all them something there. Why me never see una come out all these years and lick out against Ray and Nephew where I sell white rum and Appleton and all them type of something there to we people them? Why me never hear no lick out against the people them in France where manufacture NEC? Why me never hear uno come out all this time and lick out against the people them in Italy we manufacture champagne? Why me never hear uno lick out pan the Cuban them for the Cuban rum and lick out pan this and that and that and that? But the one time a black man a launch a business selling rum, you don't have a problem with it. Let me ask you something. Is it really the rum when I sell you have a problem with, I don't have a problem with impersonal? I want to use the rum as a liquor backsliding thing. No. Dig this. You see, most of the people them where lick out get Vybz Kartel rum. Most of them are drunkard, you know. Because all of them alcohol that when me name out before, you know. And them who no drink, you know. Real Nevio and Champagne and Hennessy and Guinness and Dragon and anything, you know. But you have a problem with Vybz Kartel rum. And then you want to use religious thing to back up on the talking. But remember say, in the Bible, you know, when you read it, you know, a pure drunkard in there, you know, a whole heap of drunkard in the Bible. Remember say, no, you know, they drink and drunk and lay down the ground naked as the day them born till all them people them come and look upon him nakedness that him curse one of them. Remember, say, according to the Bible, you know, it said Jesus turned water into wine, you know. And according to the Bible, it said Jesus drink wine till he eye them red. So, me, now support alcohol drinking. But here where me have a problem with. Why, when a black man trying to rise in business, is his own black people is hanging on and him and try to pull him down back. I have a problem with the way I sell, but I don't have a problem with the rest of nation them. We are selling that. See, way before me born, I want no born too. You hear me? Know yourself in this time, I know. Zane, drink responsibly. And remember this. Excessive amount of alcohol is not good for your liver. Make a black man strive, man. Right, so. Shocking Morris said that.
Birdnation, again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. That's it for now, people. See you in the next one. Birdnation, stay sharp.